Living with diabetes demands constant attention, and what makes it harder is all the friction between the patients and their care teams trying to help. Everyone is working from different data, different systems, and different timelines. As a lifelong type 2 diabetic, I once had a primary care doctor refuse to prescribe me a continuous glucose monitor. Not because it wasn't appropriate, but because he said he didn't have time to look at all the data. And honestly, he's right. And when I got a continuous glucose monitor, I realized the insights and features were sorely lacking. That was the moment it clicked for me. Not having the data wasn't the problem. It was all the friction. So we did something about it. One place, diabetes-specific context, respect for the user's data while making sharing easy, and understandable content without being reductive. This isn't just about patients, it's about care teams, employers, insurers, researchers, device manufacturers. That's where adoption happens. These numbers, they speak volumes. Every data point we collect is used to help the person it belongs to, and there are only 3 screens to make navigation easy.
Our app allows you to keep data long-term to provide better insights.
Mobile health app integration, device agnosticism.
We also added a Cortex AI agent and badge system to describe charts, graphs, and metrics so that the patients can understand their own data.
That was one of the things that we had the most fun doing.
Only share what you want to share.
And we provide a large variety of metrics to tell the whole story: average glucose, baseline, fasting, CV, Z-score, distribution of readings, and time in range. We contextualize all of the data around diabetes. My average glucose was 108.9, excellent control. In Snowflake, it was a force multiplier. 2 people, nights and weekends after school and work, 2 months. This only worked because Snowflake allowed us to focus where it mattered and eliminated whole layers of the stack. Into it here as it loads up. Token still valid, doesn't need to. We didn't just use Snowflake as an enterprise data warehouse or take Cortex AI and mount it on top of an app and then say we were finished. We used it for literally everything.
We used dynamic tables for our ETL process.
We used Horizon Catalog for PHI and PII tagging so we can be HIPAA compliant. We used data clean rooms and secure views for sharing.
We used Document AI as our ingestion layer for our RAG pipeline.
We also use Snowpark container services and Streamlit.
Snowflake gave us the flexibility to write both SQL and JavaScript stored procedures, native integrations with popular tools like AWS, GitHub, and Visual Studio Code.
We did something because diabetes shouldn't be this hard.